Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Physics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Mataram University. Physics Education Study Program has a vision to realize its education based on research and become an international competitive study program in 2025. Physics Education Study Program is now in the first rank in scientific publication, both national and international, among study programs in Mataram University, and ranked third on the Sinta Ristekdikti, namely national website, which record lecture research activity. The curriculum of the Physics Education Study Program has been designed to shape the personality of educators who master hard skill, soft skill, and have a high work ethic, attitude, and behavior. The Physics Education Study Program is committed to continuously improving its quality as an institution providing physics education in Indonesia. Hopefully, the Physics Education Study Program of the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Mataram University, will continue to develop and be able to provide physics education to produce graduates who have integrity, competence in physics and education, professionalism, and competitive personality at the national and international levels. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to the Physics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Mataram. Physics Education Study Program stands under the Department of Mathematics and Natural Science Education and the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education at Universitas Mataram. The first academic year carried out in the Physics Education Study Program took place on May 19, 1997 with the decree of the establishment of the study program 19/Dikti/Cap/2001. By decree of the establishment of the study program on January 30, 2001, Physics Education Study Program has the following vision and mission. The academic community owned by the Physics Education Study Program includes a professor, 6 doctoral lecturers, and 13 master lecturers who have published various scientific publications and books as teaching material. In addition, the Physics Education Study Program has produced many outstanding students and competent alumni. The Physics Education Study Program is led by the Chief of the Study Program, Mr. Dr. Muhammad Mahrus SPD MPD, and Secretary Mr. Wahyudi MSI. Physics Education Study Program has superior lecturers in terms of teaching performance, service, and tertiary drama of higher education. The lecturers of Physics Education Study Program consist of Mrs. Dr. Hairunisha Sahidu MPD, Mr. Professor Dr. Joni Rohmat MSI, Mr. Dr. Rernat Kosim MSI, Mr. Dr. Ahmad Haryono SSI MPD, Mrs. Dr. Susilawati MSI PhD, Mr. Dr. Arisdoyan MSI PhD, Mr. Dr. Gunawan SPD MPD, Mr. Dr. Sutrio MSI, Mr. Syahrial A. SPD MSI, Mr. Muhammad Taufik SPD MSI, Mr. Muhammad Zudi SSI MC, Mr. Iwayan Gunada SSI MPD, Mrs. Jannatin Arduha SSI MSc, Mrs. Hikmawati SPD MPD, Mrs. Satputi Rahayu SPD MPD, Mrs. Ninyoman Sri Putu Ferawati SPD MPD, and Mr. Ahmad Bushairi SPD MPD. Physics Education Study Program is also a first-ranked
study program in Universitas Mataram in terms of scientific publication and get third rank nationally in terms of the most citation in Indonesia, which indexed by Sinta Dikti. This is inspirable from the performance of lecturers in terms of the three dharma of higher education, their various research and service to the community, which produce various national and international journals and produce various books as teaching materials.
Learning activities carried out in the Physics Education Study Program are supported by conducive academic atmosphere with assistance by expert lecturers, their various learning models and methods. In addition to learning activities in the classroom, learning is also carried out in a laboratory that has been provided through experimental activities. In supporting learning, the Physics Education Study Program provides facilities in the form of laboratory consisting of various supporting tools ranging from basic physics, electronics, to advanced physics. But not only in the lab, there is also outdoor practicum in geology and geophysics courses which are held annually in Sembalun Village, Rinjani, and East Lombok.
Students of the Physics Education Study Program at Universitas Mataram have various activities carried out at the Physics Education Student Association called HIMAFIS. The Physics Education Student Association has held various annual competitions, including the Galileo HIMAFIS Olympiad in Bali and Nusa Tenggara, the Mathematics and Science Olympiad on West Nusa Tenggara, scientific writing workshops, and other activities. In addition, the Physics Education Study Program also has students who excel in the Olympics, 5-World Student Work Fair, scientific writing, National Student Work Fair, Field Work Practice Abroad, and also as outstanding students at the faculty level. It doesn't stop there. The Physics Education Study Program also has many competent alumni who are highly competitive and have made various achievements. The following are messages from alumni to new students of the Physics Education Study Program at Universitas Mataram.
My name is Muhammad Zuralki, and I'm honored to have joined as a part of Physics Education Program family. Studying in Physics Education Department with its high educational standard provides an excellent opportunity to progress my skills. It has not only been an immense academic help for myself, but it has also provided me with the ease of mind and a set of skills to pursue my higher education in Master of Energy Management Poland. Exchanging ideas and receiving feedback on my work during my study in bachelor has allowed me to explore and apply new perspective to my bachelor study as well as my current research project. It really means so much to me that I'm following my passions at one of the most esteemed universities program. Finally, I would like to thank the Physics Education Department for the patience and for creating such a positive environment for the students, for caring for the students and training us, for allowing us to question without judging, and for having growth mindset with us.
Hello, I'm Lia Saptini Handriani, first semester PhD student in Department of Material Science and Engineering, Hanyang University. I graduated my bachelor degree of Physics Education from Mataram University in 2015. When I studied there, I got a lot of things, not only concerned about the physics subject, but also character education, in which the way I act as the educated human being, responsibility, caring to each other, keep being optimistic in every situation, and so on. All of them helped me to realize that how meaningful and beautiful my life was. Terima kasih atas semuanya. Tanpa Bapak Ibu dosen semuanya, saya tidak akan pernah berada di tempat yang seindah saat ini.
Hello, I'm Mario Alfonsta. I graduated from Physics Education Department in 2020, and right now I'm the LPDP Scholarship majoring in Educational Science and Technology in the University of Twente, Netherlands. I'm really grateful I can get best experience in learnings because I meet with a lot of people and also my lecturers who always motivate me and always show me the way how to achieve my goals. Selama 4 tahun belajar di pendidikan fisika telah memberikan saya banyak pelajaran, telah memberikan saya banyak pengalaman dalam pembelajaran sehingga membuat saya semakin semangat untuk meraih cita-cita saya. Saya sangat mengakui ketika saya mendaftar beasiswa LPDP banyak sekali tantangan dan rintangan. Namun apa yang kemudian dosen-dosen yang ada di pendidikan saya telah memberikan kepada saya ilmu pengetahuan yang kemudian dapat bermanfaat bagi saya, kemudian dapat bersaing dengan orang-orang di luar sana. Jadi saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada semua dosen yang ada di pendidikan fisika, karena bagaimanapun juga dengan bantuan Bapak Ibu dosen telah memberikan kepada saya sebuah pengalaman pembelajaran yang berguna bagi saya hingga saat ini. Thank you so much for everything that you've given to me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Jamila. I am one of alumni Physics Education FKIP Mataram University. I have completed my studies in Physics Education for 3 years and 7 months and graduate with a cum laude predicate in 2020. For me, Physics Education is a home to grow and develop myself because there are a lot of knowledge and experience I got from physics education, and there are a lot of friendly and competent lecturers who always guiding and direct and support us to join in various student activity. To all of my friends and junior who is studying in physics education, don't ever waste this good opportunity. Grow and develop yourself with physics education. Thank you.